Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Chris from class DHM 1A.
Hi, my name is Rumuleboni, binti Zulkifli from DHM 1A.
Hi and Assalamualaikum guys. My name is Ibrahim bin Suha and I'm from DHM 1.
So I'm here gonna talk about data description. Data are a collection of observation on one or more variables. In terms, statistics is a scientific method for collecting, organizing, summarizing, presenting and analyzing data. There's two types of data. First of all, qualitative data. Data that cannot be measured but can be classified into different categories. It is a non-numeric data. For example, gender, status of student, races. Next, we have quantitative data. Data that can be measured numerically, for example, income, height, or price of shoes. Quantitative data also can be classified by two types, discrete data and continuous data. Discrete data are countable with no intermediate value, for example, number of children or number of students. Continuous data cannot be counted but can be measured like time, height, and weight. Did you know what the meaning of Iftar? It is a meal after sunset to break the fast. So as you can see, this is a sample for primary data. The method that we've been used is survey method. We have been distribute the survey to all KKTM Bangkok students of Perak about what kind of food they eat for Iftar and how much money they spend. We have collected a total of 50 respondents, 35 from male and 25 from female students. So far, our objective are to know what kind of food that students of KKTM Lenggong Perak eat for Iftar in Bulan Ramadan, and to know how much money they spend on Iftar between the male student and female student of KKTM Lenggong Perak. So I will pass my presentation to my friend Imran to explain more about the analysis of the result.
Based on analysis of result that we got, total of respondent is 50 people, and these 50 people has been voting for type of food for Iftar, which is dates, murtabak, nasi belau, roti john and kebab. The highest frequency that student has spent on is nasi belau with 57 of respondent. Meanwhile, the second highest frequency is roti john with the frequency of 8 people and followed by frequency of 3 people who spent on murtabak. And the last one is the lowest food that has been spent. The lowest food that has been spent is dates and kebab, which has the frequency of 1 people only. The second analysis of result is we can see the money spent on Iftar between male and female student. The highest money spent on Iftar is 16 to 15 ringgit by 18 male student. Meanwhile, the number of female student is 9 student. The second highest money spent on Iftar is 16 to 25 ringgit by female student, which is 14 people, and male student is 6 people. In the last position, 26 to 35 ringgit has been spent for Iftar by female student, which is 3 people.
As you can see, this is a frequency table. Frequency is a number of times a specific data value occur in your data set. This table helps you understand which data value are common and which are rare. In the frequency table, we can put information such as daily, relative accuracy, frequency, percentage, and midpoint, and others. This is the frequency table for the Google Form survey for money spent by male student of KKTM Lenggong. As you can see, male students spend only 6 to 25 ringgit on Iftar food, as much as 72%, which a total of 80 people spend 6 to 50 ringgit, and 34%, which is a total of 6 people spend money amount to 16 to 20 ringgit. As you can see, female students spend as much as 6 to 35 ringgit for iftar food. In other words, it is 36%, which is a total 9 people spend 6 to 50 ringgit. In addition, as many as 56%, which a total of 40 people spend money amount to 16 to 25 ringgit, and 20%, which is a total 3 people spend money amount to 26 to 35 to eat their iftar. This is a histogram graph. A histogram is used to summarize discrete or continuous data. In histogram graph, it has the title, x-axis, y-axis, and the bar. Function of the title is describe the information include the histogram. Function x-axis are interval that show the scale of the value which the measurement fall under. Function for y-axis is show the number of times that the value occur within the interval set by the x-axis. Function of the bar show the number of times that the value occur within the interval, while the width of the bar show the interval that is covered. For the histogram, which equal means the width should be the same across all bar. In conclusion, students at College Kemahiran Tinggi Mara, KKTM Lenggong prefer rice with side dishes for iftar meals in the month of Ramadan. KKTM Lenggong students prefer to buy at the bazaar than at the dining hall. This is because there are students who have their own bicycle to go out, and there are also bicycles provided by the college to take students to the bazaar. In addition, in the bazaar there are also different types of food than in the dining hall. Most female students invest Rm 60 to 25 ringgit to buy food, while male students only invest 6 to 50 ringgit. Therefore, from the Google Form survey that we gave to KKTM Lenggong students, we managed to arrive. Therefore, from the Google Form survey that we gave to KKTM Lenggong students, we managed to achieve the objective of being able to identify what kind of food they eat for iftar and the money spent on buying food between males and female students of KKTM Lenggong student Perak. So, we found that the majority of KKTM Lenggong students prefer to eat side dishes for iftar and spend money amount to 6 to 25 ringgit.